Rolling big power. Rolling big power. Rolling big power. Rolling big power. However you pronounce it, RBP has a lot up their sleeves. I'm Junior with Custom Offsets TV, and I'm here to tell you the truth about RBP. So yes, RBP stands for Rolling Big Power. Not sure why or what that means and why they went with that, but their abbreviation RBP is easy enough to remember. It's been clear since the beginning in 2001 that RBP's main focus has always been around the customer. Their service and products are aimed towards what me or you could want to rock on our trucks, and they have like everything. RBP has everything from gas caps and exhaust tips to wheels, tires, and lift kits for most makes and models. If you're watching this between November 5th and December 7th, 2018, you have a chance to win a full RBP build, lift kit, wheels, and tires. Easiest way to enter is to head to customoffsets.com/RBP and check out the sweet long sleeve tee that we're partnered with 9line on, and we'll get you entered to win. If you're watching this after December 7th, 2018, be sure to subscribe because you're definitely missing out on the free giveaways that we have almost every month. RBP offers quite a selection in their wheel lineup, both forged and cast. And RBP is really big on their custom finishes and different options to customize your wheels. That's what kicked RBP off, and that's why they got so big. The RBP 95R was their first design back in 2008. So while Britney Spears is trying to figure out life, RBP has theirs pretty much figured out, and they're rocking. Why was RBP's first wheel so popular? The removable inserts could be custom painted to match your truck, and people loved it. This has always been the easiest way to take your wheels and make them unique and also tie into the color scheme of your truck. Following the 95R was the... Anyone want to take a guess? Nope, not the 96R, but the 94R. Why they went backwards is beyond me, and why they started at 95 is also weird, but maybe they just got confused. Making wheels is a lot of difficult work. I don't know. But anywho, the 94R followed up the 95 and did just as banging. RBP used this as a refresh of their 95R design, and it also featured removable inserts to be painted. This has been RBP's most popular wheel for the last 7 years running, which is crazy in the wheel industry to stay that big for that long. That's what she said. RBP claims to have the secret sauce with their cast wheels as well. So as many of you probably know by now, cast wheels are melted metal alloys poured into a cast mold, then hardened and deburred. This mixture of metals is an 80-20 ratio, pure aluminum to recycled aluminum, or even 70-30. Well, the metal mixture that RBP uses has more virgin aluminum than most other cast wheel companies to provide better corrosion resistance, strength, and quality. And now you can get RBP wheels in like any size from like 17x9 all the way up to 26x16 in the cast lineup, and then 28x16 in the forged lineup. Even though the RBP 24R has been their most popular just due to its age and being out for so long, the RBP 65R Glock is the most popular recent. This is a cast wheel and therefore it's not true directional, but has an alternating Y spoke, then a single spoke in between each of those. But along with everything else that RBP has, they also have an RBP forged lineup, and these are all true directional, including the forged version of the Glock, with both sides of the truck running the same way. Now, the forged lineup has some super hot styles, and they're super popular all over SEMA and the Gram. I really like a lot of their designs in the forged lineup, and the pricing is very competitive with the other forged names on the market, most notably being American Forged. And they're all made here in the US. When most companies will have the wheels technically forged overseas and then brought here for cutting and finishing, RBP claims that they do it all right here in the US. Out of the 60 trucks RBP had at SEMA, all 60 of them were running RBP forged wheels and showing off the crazy color schemes you can do with all of these. Their lineup is definitely very impressive, and RBP is great about being in the industry, going to shows and SEMA with their new products, and always looking at the industry needs and taking full advantage with their wide range of products. Not only do they offer wheels, RBP has tires and lift kits as well. You can literally get your truck fully built with RBP product and RBP accessories to top it off. Now, these lift kits aren't truly RBP's own, they're just rebranded from one of the best lift kit companies out there right now, and then RBP brands the cross members in the shocks. To finish your build off, RBP offers their RBP Repulsor mud tire, which is a super aggressive looking tread, and it's also available in a lot of the sizes that are for like the big wheel small tire, like 33 12.5 R24, 35s for 24s, and the 37 13.5 for 26. RBP also makes a 14-inch max altitude lift kit available for the big 3 trucks for HD applications. These kits are huge and look absolutely insane. We saw a couple of them at SEMA and they were awesome. It's just another pretty cool thing that RBP offers in addition to everything else. So what's in the future for RBP? I mean, they're a company that has basically anything you could ever want. What else do they have? Well, they've got some plans. Most notably was at SEMA this year. RBP released their Stealth Power running boards. If you don't know, there's only one other company out there currently, other than the OEM options, offering powered side steps. These are pretty popular. When you open the door, the step pops down, then you close the door and the motorized step pulls back up. It's a pretty cool thing that they're now offering in their arsenal, along with everything else on RBP's site. RBP is always looking at customer requests and what the market is looking for, and then they deliver, adding just another product line to their already insane catalog of parts. That's all for you guys on the Truth About RBP. Give this a like, share, and subscribe on the YouTube, youtube.com/CustomOffsetsTV. We're trying to hit 200K subscribers. Peace.